Students, today I will discuss about the science of, that is the trigonometry, the science of measuring triangles. This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle ABC. It is called the hypotenuse, which is the largest side of the triangle. It is called the base, and it is called the height or altitude. Height or altitude. And this is the angle theta. Suppose this is the angle theta and this is the angle phi. We know that it is a right angle triangle, so it is 90 degree. Here the angle is at it is 90 degree. Is a right angle triangle, and just opposite of the right angle always there is a hypotenuse, which is the largest side of the triangle. Now if we consider this angle, then we will get some ratios. Such ratios are sin theta is equal to altitude by hypotenuse. Altitude by hypotenuse. What is the altitude here? AB by AC. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. That is base here BC by AC. And tan theta is equal to altitude by base. Here altitude, what is the altitude? AB by BC. AB by BC. You will see that here tan theta is the can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is the relation between tan theta and sin theta cos theta. Now comes the cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to just reverse of sin theta is cosec theta, reverse of cos theta is sec theta, and reverse of tan theta is cot theta. Cosec theta, how it is get? That is AC by AB. That is altitude, hypotenuse by altitude. Sec theta is equal to just reverse of cos theta, AC by BC. That is hypotenuse by base. Now now we can write it. Cot theta is equal to just reverse of tan theta, that is BC by AB. So in this case we will get some relation between this. I will write here later. At first the relation is that there is a correlates of 2 sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1, and tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. And the relation I have written here, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. I will give all the formulas at a time in this board. Today I will complete the full formulas of trigonometry relating to its ratios, identities, complementary angles, and also the values of specific angles. Here you will get sin theta, cos theta. So all the ratios I have written here: cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These are the special relationship. From here we will get, that is sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. From this we can get these relationships. These are called the ratios. We will get all the ratios, trigonometric ratios of a right angle triangle. Here hypotenuse AC is called the hypotenuse, AB is the altitude, and BC is the base. When theta is the angle, then BC is the base. But when phi is the angle, then AB is the base, BC is the altitude. Try to remember it. If I write it in this form, that is sine phi, then what will happen? Sine phi, altitude by hypotenuse, then it is the altitude, then BC by AC. BC by AC. The ratio will change if angle is changed. Then when it is phi, then it is the base. It is the base that is attached to this angle, and the other side is the altitude, and the hypotenuse remains same always. So sine phi and cos phi is equal to then cos phi base by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Then tan phi equal to BC by AB, BC by AB. In this way, the ratios will change if the angle theta will change. Theta position, suppose it is a phi, then the change of position, the ratios will change. This is the all about the ratios of the total trigonometry. Now I will go to the identities part. Identities part, you know, identities means for all values of variables, two sides of the equation remain same. For any value of the variables, it is same. Suppose first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from where I can write sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then sine theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. And cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sine square theta. So I can get this derived from this main equation. From this main equation I will get all these related terms, that is sine theta, sine square theta, and also cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. All these things can be derived from it. Okay, sine square, sine theta, cos square theta. This is the number one. Number two, another identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So sec square theta, so sec theta from here we will get root over 1 plus tan square theta. And tan theta is equal to, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So tan theta is equal to root over sec square theta minus 1. That is, you will get all the things, or number one thing remains untold, tan square theta is equal to 1. So from this is the main equation, main identity this. For any values of theta, you will get it this is satisfied. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Sec theta is equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So all the things you will get from here: sec theta, sec square theta, tan square theta, tan theta. Yes, these are the number 3. Number 3 is 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. That is, here we will get cot theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 square root. cosec theta is equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These are all these things. Do you see it? Yes. These are all the identities that I have written here from this. This is the main three identities are this, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So all these things are relevant, very much essential for doing the sums of related to identities. Now I will tell another thing. This is the identity part. Now I will go to the complementary angles. Complementary angles.